Today, I'm going to share with you how I decorated this cake from this to this and to this. Hello, creative bangers. Join me. Let's do this together. All right. First, I'll be using two flavors. I am going to combine vanilla flavor and butterscotch together. Feel free to use only one. All right. Mix to combine very well. Set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to move in with a flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. To the flour, I'm also going to sift in unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Go ahead and sift as demonstrated. Okay, once that is done, go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, in another bowl, I'm going to move in with margarine. You can also use butter. Now, you can see the color of the margarine before I started creaming. You will see what the color will look like after creaming. Take your time and cream your margarine for about 5 to 7 minutes. Shout out to you, Esther, watching from Port Harcourt, Sarah from Uganda, Larry from Ogun State, Dija watching from Senegal, and Vanessa all the way from Liberia. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. Okay, continue to cream till it doubles in volume or till it becomes pale yellow, as you can see on the video. Now I'm moving with sugar and cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Cream again for another 5 minutes. Then I'll be using 12 pieces of eggs. I'm going to add both the eggs and the flour in batches. First, I added 4 pieces of egg. I added the first batch of the flour. Then I'm going to mix. I added the second eggs, the second batch of the flour. I mix. Finally, I'm moving with the last batch of the eggs. I added the flavor which we mixed earlier, the last batch of the flour. Then I'm going to mix for about a minute using my electric mixer. Then I'm going to move in with a spatula and mix again for another 30 seconds. Then I'm going to add cookies. Using digestive cookies, you can use any cookies of your choice or you can skip. But trust me, the end result was a banger. After mixing again for another 1 minute, then it is time to add the cake batter into your well-greased baking pan. Go ahead and bake. At exactly 1 hour, the cakes are ready. Look at that. Oh my word. I took my time to bake this cake. Like I baked this cake for an hour. You can see how huge the cake is. That's about 10 inches pan for each cake. Now I also have a smaller one. This is the one that I'll be testing the cake with. Now after about 5 minutes, I'm going to wrap the cake up, then set it aside. The decoration will start the next day. The next day, this is what the cake looks like. I'm loving it. Super soft and everything is coming together. Please exercise patience. Okay, now I put the cake together in order to start my decoration. So I noticed that it did not sit well, like it didn't balance well. So I needed to scrape up some parts of one of the cakes. Okay, now after that you can go ahead and start your decoration, but I divided each cake into 2 equal parts, making it about 4 tiers. Okay, it's not a must that you will do that. Okay, all right, now time to prepare our cream. I will be using whipped cream. You can use buttercream to do the same thing that I did on the decoration. Now I added 2 cups of cream and 2 cups of chilled water. The water is very, very chilled. Even my bowl is very chilled. Okay. Now I whip for about 2 minutes or till it doubles in volume. Then I'm going to move in with 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and a tablespoon of cornstarch, also known as corn flour. Go ahead and whip. Please do not over whip so that it does not attract air bubbles. Okay. Set it aside. Now, my turntable is out of my reach, but your girl needs a turntable in order to make the job easier. So I decided to create my own turntable. You know, we are creative bangers. You can use a big solo tape to do this, or I have this tuna fish container. So what I did is to cut off the bottom part in order to gain access. Grab any pot lid in your kitchen, place on it, then place your cake board, and your turntable is ready. Somebody say creative banger at the comment section. Okay, the first step is to apply some cream on the board. Place one of the cake, apply cream, place one, apply cream till you get to the end, as you can see on the video. Okay, now I'm going to apply the cream all over the cake in order to smoothen the cake first. Okay, go ahead and smoothen it and use your turntable to turn the cake around. As you can see, it was turning. Not having a turntable should not stop you from decorating a cake at the very comfort of your home. I just gave you an alternative. Okay, now I mix the same whipped cream again, the same measurement. This time I'm going to use it to cover the entire cake. After covering, go ahead and smooth. Make sure you add enough cream so that when you are smoothing it, it will not touch the cake. Okay, now I take some pieces of cake which I cut off earlier. Use my hand and pieces them. Then I'm going to use it for my decoration. All you need to do is to use it and apply on the cake as demonstrated. At the upper side, I added just half part of the cake. Then I used the same cream and pipe the remaining half. That's exactly what I did. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. Now I clean my cake pan. Go ahead and pipe the cake all round. And that's it. At this point, I'm loving the cake. It's as if I shouldn't go further. But you know your girl, we need to do some decor. Okay, feel free to use any fruit of your choice. I started with cucumbers. I cut the cucumbers in ring shape. Then I added some watermelon. I love watermelon. Some carrot. Finally, I added some cookies. And that's it. Very simple and easy. We just delivered again without being pregnant. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Hey Becca, how much will you charge for this cake? Let me know at the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.